CO2 fire extinguishers, or carbon dioxide fire extinguishers from Vigil, are our most popular, rather the 2 kilogram. This 2 kilogram, this is the 5 kilogram. You're probably more likely to see this on a factory floor, something like that. And when we talk about 2 kilogram, it's the contents, the actual amount of CO2 in it. This whole extinguisher, that will weigh about 6 kilograms. This one will weigh 12 and a half. It's quite heavy. There are aluminium versions, but they are quite a lot more expensive, and aluminium ones only going to weigh just under 5 or about 11, so it doesn't make that much difference. There are some cheaper models that weigh more because they've, I don't know, manufacturing to use cheaper steel or something. For Vigil products are a quality item. You'll see you have the British Standard kite mark. This has the UKCA and the CE mark. Both mean the same, and actually as a legal requirement it only needs one of them. I think over time we'll revert back to the CE mark because that's what they use in Europe, and I think we will accept it. This was the Brexit thing, not really needed, is it? Now CO2 extinguisher, you'll see it's got a B rating which is for flammable liquids. These are suitable really just for flammable liquids and fires involving electricity. As you can imagine, carbon dioxide will just dissipate, so it won't really cause any damage. There is the cold shock, so would you use it on delicate computer equipment? But probably not. Big computer rooms have systems. One thing I want to say though is these, when you buy from a brand like Vigil, the prices are a fraction of the old style where the service engineer comes in and tells you what you need, or the fire extinguisher salesperson comes in and says you need these, and you point out, oh, I've just seen these on the internet for 30 odd quid. Why is yours £90? And they tell you everything that's wrong with it. No, these are the same. But things they may say is that, for instance, why has it got all these threads showing? It's just simply a different style of valve. This part on the top is the valve on top of the cylinder. Look at an oxyacetylene cylinder, it's got the same. This is called, you get a parallel thread where you might not see any threads and you might see an O-ring at the top. It's just a different style of valve. It's tested, does the job. When you use these, same as any extinguisher, you just simply pull the pin out. This breaks the little anti-tamper seal to show you. So if it hasn't got the seal on, it means has someone used it. A CO2 is very high pressure, very, very high pressure, 55 bar or something like 750 PSI. It would break your arm if it didn't have this little thing on when you try and use it. So for that reason, it can't have a pressure gauge like stored pressure fire extinguishers. If you look at a water one or a powder one, it's got a little gauge. These are too high pressure. They're also very solid. See the bottom? I mean, this is a thick old thing. That's tough, so you won't be able to break it. They come with a bracket. Every extinguisher has a bracket. Now our style is this, and just to let you know, because a lot of people get confused, I'm going to show you. Can you see here it has this round hole? So when you put it on the wall like that, it simply hangs on it. Simple as that. Easier. It's exactly the same for the 5 kilogram up there. Now you'll see that the 5 kilogram has a hose and horn. It does exactly the same, but because this is heavy, you might want to stand this on the floor and hold it at this end and sweep across the fire. This is your swivel horn. Now, when you get it to fit in the box, this is not on the extinguisher, it is loose in the box. It is essential that you put it on immediately, because without it, it's like a jet rocket in your hand. If you tried to squeeze it, the pressure would blow out and it'll twist your arm and almost guaranteed to dislocate or break your arm. You don't want to do that. You don't want to risk any of your staff or the public doing it. So put it on and make sure, see it swivels, it's called a swivel horn. Make sure it will stay up like that. If it's all weak and wobbly, it's not tight enough. Do not do it hand tight. Now I'm going to take this off just to show you that that's all it is, right? Just pop it on, do it up hand tight and then finish it off with the tool. I'm not going to do that again, but that's all it is. That's all it takes. Spanner, common sense. Instructions are in the box. To find out everything else you need to know about these and to find out which extinguisher to have with it, I mean, pretty much if you had one of these and a 6 litre water in any location where you need extinguishers, you're covered. That's all you need. Follow the links at the bottom of this video.